Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay children, now take your science workbook and pencil. All of you take your science workbook children, not your book, science workbook. Okay, you have a small book that you know. Have you take? Okay, now open the book. Page number 9, the second lesson we have done in the book, you know that. And page number 9, now we are going to recall and answer the all fill-ups, answer the following. Okay children, now look at the workbook, page number 9. Have you opened? Lesson 2, animals and plants. Have you take children? Plants and animals. Look at the book, all of you. Keep your finger and listen nicely. Plants and animals show many difference between them. Children, we know that already we learnt. We are going to recall that difference between the plants and animals. Plants and animals show many difference between them. Okay? Characteristics, movement. What is the movement of plants? Remain fixed to the ground. Children, the plants are, you know that, always fixed to the ground. But animals show location. Wherever he think and he can go anywhere. Yes or no? Show location. Second one, food. Food also, they have different. Prepare the own food. Plants are prepare their own food because they have chlorophyll. Okay children? Yes, next animals. Animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Children, the animals, you know that they don't know how to make the food. So, they depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. எப்படியாவது plants அது என்ன செய்யுது டைரக்டாவோ இன்டைரக்டாவோ plants எப்படியாவது சார்ந்து தான் இருக்குது. And third one, breathing. Breathing also organs very different. Plants are breathe through stomata in the leaf. Plants have stomata in the leaf. Yes or no? Yes, leafல அதுக்கு ஸ்டொமேட்டாங்கிற ஒரு holes எல்லாம் இருக்கும். They breathe through that. And animals breathe through gills, spiracles, lungs and skin. Some animals breathe with gills. What is that? Fish. And spiracles, insects. And lungs, human and animals. And skin, that some what is that? Earthworm, like that. They are breathe through skin. Next one, sense organs. Children, plants do not have sense organs. Plant க்கு என்னது இல்ல? You know that அதுக்கு sense organs இல்ல, but they can understand the surrounding weather. Yes or no? Yes. And animals have sense organs like skin, ears, eyes, nose and tongue. They have 5 sense organs. Okay children? Next, last one, reproduction. This also different. Plants are grow from seed or from the other parts of the plant. Plants grow from seed. Seed la irundhu valarum. Otherwise, stem, root, and also they can grow by leaves. You know na, we have land. And animals either give birth to young one. Some animals give birth to young one. Some are what is that? Lay eggs. சிலது குட்டி போட்டு குட்டிகளை இது காக்குது. And some animals lay eggs. முட்டையிட்டு குஞ்சு பொரிக்குது. Okay children, plants and animals depend on each other to live. Plants and animals they depend each other. ஒருவரை ஒருவர் அது எப்படி இருக்குது சார்ந்து வாழுது. You know that the last previous class we learned yes or no? Yes children. Now turn next page. Turn next page children. Page number 10. Children, these are your homework. Knowledge based question. A. Listen nicely. Keep your finger. Children, don't see anywhere. Okay? Shall we go? Yes, keep your finger and listen. Tick the correct answer. Children, you want to tick the correct answer. They give us 4. Choose yes or no. Yes, okay. The first one, mushrooms are unable to make their own food because, children, we know that mushrooms can't they make the food? Yes or no? They can't make their own food because dash. A. Option are A. They get their food from dead and decaying matter. What is the meaning? They get their food. அதோட ஃபுட்டை எங்கேருந்து டெட்டான ஏதாவது ஒரு பொருளில் இருந்தோ அல்லது டிகேயின் மட்டர் அழுகுன பொருட்களில் இருந்தோ அதோட ஃபுட்டை எடுத்துக்கிடுதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. பி. தே டு நாட் ஹாவ் குளோரோஃபில். எஸ், தே டு நாட் ஹாவ் குளோரோஃபில். மஷ்ரூம்க்கு குளோரோஃபில் இல்லை. ஓகே, வாட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் குளோரோஃபில்? இலை பச்சையம். ஓகே, த சி. Both of A and B. Children, if the A and B are both are correct means you want to tick the C. A, what is the meaning? Mushrooms எல்லாம் அதோட ஃபுட்டை டெட் அண்ட் டிகேயிங் மட்டர்லேருந்து எடுத்துக்கிடுது. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ பி, தே டு நாட் ஹாவ் குளோரோஃபில். அதுக்கு பச்சையும் இல்லை. If these are two are correct means you want to tick the C. Both A and B. ரெண்டுமே சரிதான் அப்படின்னா you want to tick the C. Okay children. Second one, an earthworm breathe through its dash. Earthworm. Children, earthworm breathe through its dash. Option are gills, skin, lungs. You know that, you know very well. You want to tick the correct answer. Earthworm எதால breathe பண்ணுது. And third one, rose plant grow from the dash and sweet potatoes grow from the dash. Rose plant லாம் எதுல இருந்து வருது? And also sweet potatoes na they are grow from dash. What is the answer? Option are A. Stem and root. B. Roots and leaf. C. Leaf and stem. What is the correct answer? You know that rose plants grow from the, think nicely, is there any seed? No. Then think nicely. And sweet potato, you know that is what is that? Root. Yes or no? We eat sweet potatoes na, chini kalangu. Yes, they are roots, you know that, but they are grow from dash. What is the answer? Option are stem, roots. B. Roots and leaf. C. Leaf and stem. Children, think nicely and take the correct answer. If you want, you can write now itself. Okay children. Fourth one, plants respond to their surrounding but they do not have parts like dash. Children, the plants do not have one thing but they can understand the surrounding. அது நம்ம சுற்றுச்சூழலில் என்ன நடக்குது? Rain means they grow, they give us many leaves and flowers, vegetables like that. And cold weather means they change that. What is that? Their situation like that. But they don't have one part like animals. What is that? Stem. Think nicely. Plants have stem. Okay. Second one, leaves. Think nicely. Is there? They don't have leaves. Think nicely. And C, sense organs. Children, tick the correct answer. Okay. Next, B. Match the columns. Now we are going to match column A. First one, green plant. Second one, tadpole. Third one, cockroach. Keep your finger. Are you listening, children? Yes, keep your finger. Third one, cockroach. Fourth one, earthworm. Fifth one, pigeon. Sixth one, dolphin. Okay, that option is in changed. We want to match the correct. Yes or no? Column B, spiracles. Second one, egg laying. Third one, gills, chlorophyll, birth giving, and skin. Okay, you want to match the correct one. Okay, children. Now see, fill in the blanks. Dash cannot make their own food. Plants are animals. Yes, very good, children. Write write on the line. Dash cannot make their own food. Understand? Okay, children. Now next page. Next page, page number 11. Option C, fill in the blanks. Number 2. Up you have no. Second one. Keep your finger, listen nicely. Some animals like birds and dash laying eggs. Children, some animals like birds. Birds madri chela animalgalu enna cheyudu? They lay eggs. What is that? Option are cows, snakes. Very easy. You know that. Cows, snakes. What is the correct answer? Very good, children. If you think correctly, you want to take and write on the line. Okay. Some animals like birds and dash lay eggs. Third one, dash breathe through the lungs. Dash breathes through the lungs. Children, here they are give us two options. Why? You know that blue whale, no? Yes, whale and fish. They give us two. You want to take and write the correct answer. Breathe through the lungs. In the ரெண்டுல ஏதோ ஒரு animal வந்து என்ன செய்யுது? Breathe through the lungs. Lungs மூலமா சுவாசிக்குது. You know very well. Fish through, breathe through. What is that? And blue whale through. Very good, children. You want to write the correct answer. The fourth one, without dash animals will die. ஒன்று இல்லைன்னா அனிமல்ஸ்லாம் இறந்து போயிடும். What is that? Oxygen or chlorophyll? Animals. Think nicely. Without dash animals will die. இது இல்லைன்னா அனிமல்ஸ் செத்து போயிடும். What is that? Oxygen or chlorophyll? Think nicely. Take and write the answer. Very easy. All. Yes or no? Yes. Next one, understanding based question. You want to tick. If that is true means you want to tick. Otherwise you want to put cross. Very easy. A. Tick the true statement. Cross out the false statement. They give us 6 statement. If that is true means you want to tick. Otherwise that is false means you want to give cross. Okay, children. The first one, plants have sense organs but animals do not. Children, think nicely. Plants have sense organs. Plants class sense organs irka, but animals do not have. Is it true? Think nicely. Now itself you can write the answer. Plants have sense organs but animals do not. Think nicely. If that is true means give tick. Otherwise wrong means false means you want to give cross. Okay. Second one, plants grow from seeds of or from other parts of the plant. Children, plants grow from seed or from other parts of the plants. என்ன செய்யுது? சீட்ல இருந்தும் வளருது and also they can grow from other parts of the plant. Other part of the plant ல இருந்தும் they can grow. True or false? True means give tick, false means give cross. Second one. Third one, some animals like moles can make their own food. Some animals like moles can make their own food. Think nicely, children. Animals like moles, they can make their own food. If that is true means give tick. If that is wrong means give false. False means we want to give cross. Yes or no? Yes, think nicely, do it. Fourth one, all animals show some kind of movement. All animals show some kind of movements. If that is true means give tick. It's false means you want to give cross. Okay? Fourth one finished. The fifth one, frogs breathe through their gills and skin. Think nicely, children. Frogs breathe through their gills and skin. Frog they are breathe through their gills or skin. If that is true means give tick, otherwise it's wrong means give cross. Sixth one, plants depend upon animals for spreading their seed. Plants animals depend pannirukku for what? Spreading their seed. Yes or no? Animals and plants, they are depend each other. Yes or no? Yes. Then plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. Animals அதோட சீட்ஸை கொண்டு போய் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு அங்கங்கே போடுறதுக்காக பிளான்ஸ் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இஃப் தட் இஸ் ட்ரூ மீன்ஸ் கிவ் டிக், அதர்வைஸ் இஃப் இட் இஸ் யூ ஃபீல் ஃபால்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் கிவ் கிராஸ். சில்ட்ரன் திங்க் நைஸ்லி, டூ இட். Next, B, differentiate between plants and animals. Children, we know that they give us characteristics, and animal, plants, we want to write, they give us 6 movement, making food and food requirement, breathing organs, sense organs, reproduction. Children, you want to write the 2, animals and plants. Okay, you want to fill that difference between the plants and animals. Okay, movements, what is that? Animal. We have learned today also, you know very well. You want to write, otherwise you want to study after, write in the box. Okay, children. Now what are your homework? A, in the page number 10, listen nicely. 10th page A, B, C, and 11th page A, B. Okay, these are all very easy. Okay, don't disturb to anyone, you can do it. Children, don't ask to anyone, you know very well. Previous class, if you learn nicely means you can write these all answers. Okay, don't disturb to anyone, you can read that book, you can write the answer, you know very well. Already I taught all the, what is that, tick the correct answer, match, fill in the blanks, true or false, difference between, this all you know very well, you want to write. Okay, children? Okay, this is all your homework. Now, children, in the same page, 11th page you have now, same page, C, question and answer. Keep your finger, question and answer. Can you find it? Yes, after the B, difference between the plants and animals, you have no C, question and answer. Yes, now we are going to write the answer. The first one, how do animals reproduce? In the book only, okay? Don't take the classwork note. We can write in the workbook. Okay, children? We are going to write in the workbook. Don't confuse. Okay? Now write in the workbook the question and answer. See, question and answer is there, no? The first one, how do animals reproduce? Are you fine? Are you fine it, children? Say yes or no. Down you have 2 lines now. You want to write on the line. Understand? Children, you no need to take the classwork note. Now we are going to write in the workbook. Okay, don't confuse children. See, question and answer, the page number 11. Once again I tell you, page number 11, under the difference between the plants and animals we saw, na? Yes, after we have the C, question and answer, first one we are going to write. Look at the screen and write in the workbook. The first one, how do animals reproduce? How do animals reproduce? Shall we write? Okay. Now, the first one. Look at the screen. You can you see the question answer, children? Yes. Shall we write? Where are you going to write? In the workbook. Okay, children, page number 11. How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in 2 ways: by give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Animals 2 வகையா reproduce பண்ணுது. What are they? By give birth to young ones. குட்டிகளை ஈனியும் அல்லது by laying eggs. சில animals முட்டைகளை இட்டு குஞ்சு பொரிக்குது. Understand? Shall we write now? Yes. Start to write. Say and write. The first question, under you have 2 lines, no? Shall we write? Yes. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals reproduce. Say and write, children. Write nicely, okay? Very good. Don't write very big and don't write like very small. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals reproduce. R-E-P-R-O-D-U-C-E. Say and write. Reproduce in 2 ways. I-N in T-W-O, 2 ways. W-A-Y-S, 2 ways. By give birth. B-Y, by give. After the ways you want to give comma. Okay, by B-Y, by give birth. G-I-V-E, give. Say and write. Birth, B-I-R-T-H, B-I-R-T-H, give birth to, T-O-2, to young ones. Y-O-U-N-G, young. Y-O-U-N-G, young ones. O-N-E-S. Say and write, children. O-N-E-S, young ones. R, O-R-R, by, B-Y, by, B-Y, by laying eggs. L-A-Y-I-N-G, laying eggs. E-double-G-S, eggs. By laying eggs. Once again, animals reproduce in two ways: by give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Okay, have you written? Shall we go for second one? Have you finished, children? Animals reproduce in two ways: by give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Okay, second one you have the question. Second question, what are the things for which plants depend on animals? எதற்காகலாம் plants வந்து animals-ஐ depend பண்ணி இருக்குது? What is that? What is the answer? Can you? What is that? What are the things for which plants depend on animals? எதற்காகலாம் plants animals-ஐ depend பண்ணி வாழுது? What is the answer? Do you know that? Yes, we know. Look at the screen. Now we are going to write plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. Plants எல்லாம் animals-ஐ தன்னோட seeds-ஐ spread பண்ணக்காக depend பண்ணி இருக்குது. Understand? Shall we write now? Yes, write on that line. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S. Say and write, children. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants depend. D-E-P-E-N-D. Depend. Plants depend upon. U-P up on. O-N on. Upon. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Say and write, children. Then only you can understand. Plants depend upon animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. For F-O-R. For spreading. Spreading. What is the meaning of spreading? பரப்புறது. Okay, அங்கங்க பரப்புறதுக்காக plants எல்லாம் animals-ஐ depend பண்ணி இருக்குது. Okay, spreading. S-P-R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Spreading. Their. T-H-E-I-R. Their seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Their seeds. D-T-H-E-I-R. Their seeds. S-E-E-D-S. Finished? Yes or no? Write fast, children. Plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. Animals, plants எதற்காக சார்ந்திருக்கு? Spreading their seed. Plants எல்லாம் அதை சாப்பிட்டுட்டு plants, animals எல்லாம் அந்த பிளான்ஸில் இருக்கிற ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு அனிமல்ஸ் பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன செய்யும்? ஸ்ப்ரெட் பண்ணிடும். அங்கங்கே கொண்டு போய் சாப்பிட்டுட்டே போகும்ல, அங்கங்கே ஸ்ப்ரெட் ஆகி வேறு பிளேஸ்க்கு என்ன ஆயிரும்? அந்த பிளான்ஸோட சீடெல்லாம் போய் பரவிடும். அதனால அந்த எங்கே அந்த சீட் கிடக்குதோ அந்த இடத்துல நியூ பிளான்ஸ் எல்லாம் வளரும். அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் சில்ட்ரன்? பிளான்ஸ் டிபெண்ட் அப்பான் அனிமல்ஸ் ஃபார் ஸ்ப்ரெட்டிங் their seeds. Okay, have we finished? Once again shall we read? Keep your finger on your book. Now we are going to read. How do, say louder, animals reproduce? How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in two ways. By give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Once again, animals reproduce in two ways. By give birth to young ones or by laying eggs. The second one, keep your finger on and say louder, children. Don't sit simply, okay? Okay. What are the things for which plants depend on animals? What are the things for which plants depend on animals? Keep your finger on the answer. Plants depend upon animals for spreading their seed. Plants depend upon animals for spreading their seeds. Okay? Are you understand? Okay, children, you want to learn these all question also? Okay, and you want to write the page number 10 and 11 all one words your homework. Understand? Can you do it? Yes, you can very well. Okay, children, take care.